Hi everybody, this is Rebecca Lynn Barkley, aka Boobop197. This is my review for today. And today I have no review, ladies and dudes, but I promise to all of you that later on in my videos, I will do my top 5 most surprising moments that I ever seen in my favorite films. And the other will be a brand new movie review called Up. You know, the Disney Pixar film. But anyway, ladies and dudes, let's head on to Boobop197's most quick video, part 8. And what's today's most quick video of the day? Well, to tell you the truth is, ladies and dudes, I really want to ask you guys a question. And this is for all the Pokemon fans out there who are joining Pokemon for the last 15-something years ago. I hope it's 15 years ago, I guess. Here is a big unknown question I would like to ask all the Pokemon fans out there. And it's for the brand new generation for Pokemon X and Y. As you may know, I do enjoy Pokemon X and Y. It's a good, fresh, new start for the anime franchise. It had a good storyline, has good characters, very nice animation, and it had a really good score too. But I still hate Team Rocket even to this day. And, okay, anyway, here's this big unknown question I would like to ask you. And this is for, you know, when Ash is going to capture some new Pokemon that he hadn't seen yet in the new region. My biggest unknown question is, what will be his next 3 new Pokemon is going to be? And to tell you the truth is, ladies and dudes, if you guys did play Pokemon X and Y, and you see all the brand new Pokemon that you've seen for the latest region, I just want to know is, which one of these brand new Pokemon that Ash is going to capture next? Will it be like, maybe another plant Pokemon, or a rock Pokemon, or maybe for once, he needs to capture a legendary Pokemon? There are so many good Pokemon to choose from, and I really want Ash to capture his next 3 new Pokemon that came from in the latest region. So yeah, I really need your help on this one. So to cut this short, which Pokemon will be the next ones that Ash needs to capture for the latest episodes to come for Pokemon X and Y? Whichever these Pokemon are, leave a comment there and let me know. As for me, I think I'll make up a guess of which Pokemon that Ash needs to capture next whenever we get to more stuff for Pokemon X and Y. I would like to see if Ash will ever capture that lion Pokemon. You know, the lion with the mane hair. It's the male Pokemon. I would like to see Ash capture a lion Pokemon. I think that would have been awesome for the series, if you know what I mean. So yeah, to cut this short, this is my most quickest video. Yeah, quickest video part 8, and we're only 2 quick videos away as I try to get going for part 9 and part 10, but I'm not sure which other part of the quick video I want to put for my last 2 videos to come. So be prepared for my last 2 quick videos that I will do for the future. So around in the end of 2013, before we head on to 2014. And yes, join me next time as I do my top 5 list of the top 5 most surprising movie moments of all time, and my brand new movie review of Up. So be prepared for those new videos to come, and I will see you all later. Sayonara.